Good morning, you guys. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a get ready with me video. So it's a Sunday. I was gonna do this yesterday, but I really didn't feel like taking my hair down. And to be honest, I still don't feel like taking my hair down. So I'm probably not gonna take my hair down still because I had to like this little cute hairstyle yesterday. Because I still got my twist. I don't know if you guys, well, if you watch my videos, you know I still have my twist. And one thing about being natural, once you take them twists down, you gotta figure out what you gotta do. And I also have like a lot of twists in my hair too, so I just don't want to take them down. So yeah, I had just went to the eye doctor the other day and ordered some glasses. That was $195. But I got these contacts too. I used to wear Acuvue. I forgot the name of it, the Oasis. But he was like, if you're gonna be wearing glasses and contacts, you should get the one-day contacts. And to be honest, I don't know if I like these because I feel like they dry my eyes out. But I already have the perfect, not perfect, I already have the outfit that I want to wear because I really do want to take pictures today. And then also, y'all know the not fried chicken ice cream. Ooh, I can see. Yes, because I really be blind out here. But just say y'all find I'm a little tripod. I'm happy we're making some progress. Put this other one in. I gotta be at, well, church start at 9:30, but like, just don't be don't be later no later than 9:45 if you ask me. Y'all know the song? I can't think of that. I can't even think of it right now. I don't like the love song. Oof. I hate pulling on contacts sometimes. I used to wear glasses 24/7, but I broke them. And when I was going to the other eye doctor, it was making it so hard for me to get either or. Okay. There's so many tips. Ooh, I gotta stretch. Oh, then my cycle came on. It's like, oof, Jesus. I don't have what I normally wear, so I'm kind of sad about that. Boy, I'm gonna brush my teeth first, because once I got out of the shower, I'm gonna do like a little quick, I don't want to say it's like a little skincare, because I really don't think I have like a full skincare routine and stuff like that. At least not one that I would want. But with my skin, it really don't be like breaking out like that. I don't even know if you guys can see. Like, I wish I had like, the lighting looks good here, but it's just not portraying good on here. But my skin really doesn't be working out like that, but it is still nice. But the stuff that I put on my face, to me, is a 10 out of 10 for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my retainers out and get to brushing my teeth, because after I brush my teeth, let me get in the shower. I just bought these pills. I just bought 2 pills. I'm gonna show y'all because they're so freaking cute. I miss my coat. I need like my iPad or something to listen to music. I really need to charge my iPad because my iPad was like on 4% when I was using it the other day. I feel like being a college student, I really be having a lot of devices because I don't know, I just do. iPad, laptop, phone if you want to count the phone. Mm-hmm. Okay, look at all the stuff on it. I have it. Okay, so let me get this stuff off my face because it's big. Okay, so I don't know if I said I was gonna put this stuff on before, but I think it would kind of make sense for me to put this stuff on. No, I don't know if I said I was gonna put it on after, but I'm putting it on before. This stuff, Naguna Baby Decor. Yeah, I love that stuff. I've been using that since I was like, I don't know if I started, I'm gonna say high school, probably like early high school. I used to use the original. That one is good too, but this one I really like it because it's like a decor. I'm supposed to use it a lot. I don't really be cleaning my face as much as I should, at least with this, because I've started going, which is still, you know, using, but I don't like, I'm not a fan of my sweet mates because, and roommate, to be honest with you, because it be hair and stuff everywhere. Like, it just be, like, I remember one day I woke up and I was like, one day I woke up and I had my contacts on, and I said ever since then, I will always wake up with my contacts on. Now that I have glasses, probably glasses. But I woke up, went to go use the restroom. I gotta wash my hands, go to wash my face, just thinking about it makes me want to cringe. I gotta do all that, and I'm just feeling hair and stuff. Like, I'm feeling hair as I was brushing my teeth. I'm like, it's just hair in the sink. So then I gotta get my towel to wash my face. It's like hair all on my towel. And I'm like, Kyle, how is there even hair if your stuff is nowhere to, like, it? It was just, I need to get one of the more brushings. I used to have one, but I think when I was in the process of moving, I stopped, oh, I don't know what it is. I think I found it, I just didn't have no batteries, but I'd rather get a new one anyway. But to be honest, that thing was like, not even a bad price. It was probably like a little cheap, affordable moment, like when I say cheap, but it was a nice one starting off with. And to be honest, it still did the job if you ask me. But I usually let this sit on my face. Like, it probably has some type of time limit on there. Me, I personally don't care. I just let this sit on my face until I get ready to take it off. Cause I feel like that's how my face personally absorbs it that much. Yeah, I have like a little light. I think I'm gonna go put it on my camera. I have like a little mini portable light. But so I'm gonna get in the shower with this on, and then I'm gonna take it off, and then I'm gonna try to show y'all. So I showed y'all before, like how it looked. I don't know if you necessarily see much change, but so I'm finna get in the shower though. Get all up in there. If you ever know, well, you should, but trying to get like as close to the edges, because your edges close to it be like building up dirt too. So I'll be having to make sure I try to get as close as possible. But today, y'all, I don't know if I want to incorporate this in the video. It's like a little extra fun, but I'm getting the ice cream. I don't know if I said before about the ice cream, the not fried chicken ice cream. I'm gonna be so happy when I do that. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting it, and then someone had posted on my socials that they had tried it. They was like doing a whole review. I'm like, where'd you get it? It was like, just do DashMart. They had it, but it's like $4.99, but it's okay because it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it. Let me start this shower. Alright, you guys. Also, like I said, this is what I use. If I had like teacher oil or witch hazel, I would just get like a cotton swab and just rub it on my face. In general, and it helps, but that's just some of the extra, it's not necessary. So I'm gonna get in the shower. I'm gonna clean up my mess. Since I really don't be at home, try to make sure I clean my mess. And I'm gonna see y'all after the shower. Peace. Okay, y'all, so I'm out the shower. Good to say. So here are the trying to just okay, so I'm out the shower. These are the pants that I want to wear. I just got these actually from Fashion Nova. Cause I'm gonna customize these for AKA for whenever my 1 year comes up. But until the time being, they're still cute and they can be worn. So I'm gonna put these on. And then with these, I'm gonna pair them with. Okay, so let me show you the heels I just got. I just got both of these actually, and they're so cute, aren't they? So I don't know if I want to wear the pink ones with this, but we're gonna go with this because they're both really cute. So I don't know. Probably wear this, because we're gonna be cute today. And the shirt, at first I was thinking about, is this the shirt? That's a little wrinkly. You probably need to throw it in the dryer, but this shirt, it smells nice. It smells like straight out the washing machine. So it's either gonna be this shirt. It's probably a little cold outside though. But like, this is on. I don't know. Probably go with this. It's more. Probably just stick with this because it's white and you can never go wrong with white. And then probably do pink heels. Maybe. I wish I had some like red. But I don't. The only thing I have red is this. But with some pink heels, it could go. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Because those green ones could go with either or. The pink could go with either or too. But we're trying to stand out, you know? So, we're gonna see. Okay, so that's what we're gonna go with now. I'm gonna close the closet door because we got nowhere else. There's no need for this closet no more. I could have put the heels back in there though. And I'll probably just show y'all when I'm in the, whenever I try them on. Show me out in the closet. So it's 8:30 because I just took my birth control. I need to be leaving around like 9:15 because it's gonna take me a little while to get to that church since how far I stay. I literally stay like in the country of the city. So I'm trying to do what I have to do. I just need to do my hair, but I'd rather put my clothes on when I do my hair so that way I ain't gotta like mess it up. And my lip stuff is in the car. I put my lip stuff on. I might put that stuff on the car so I can just be heading out. I'm trying to make sure I don't need anything. I think once I really take this bone off now. Like, I have some little gold stuff too. I'm gonna put some of the gold stuff in there, like the little gold clips. But I think what we're gonna do right now is then I guess get ready, and then I'm gonna show y'all the outfit as trying something with my hair. So let's get ready. Okay. First we have these jeans. And I got these from Fashion Nova, actually. said I needed to buy the little, what's the thing it's called? The little, what's these things? The little buttons. Because how they fit, I feel like they make a perfect fit. Like, it just be like a little. Like this. Just make it like more on. So, this jeans, the jeans. And then, should I try this shirt on first with it? We're gonna try the other one on first with it. Because either way, we're gonna try them on. So, starting off, we have this shirt first. Ooh, this is actually really cute. Is this already tied? Probably so. Just gotta. It kind of looks. Okay, so cool. Okay, so let me show y'all this with the heels. Okay, guys, so this is the outfit. First one. And let me put these heels on to show y'all with the heels. Kind of like these. But the green. Okay, let's see with the green. Okay, y'all, so I ended up just sticking with this shirt. I'm gonna show you the outfit at the end though. Cause as I was trying it on, I was just like, no. I don't know if it was because of my hair. I really wasn't feeling the hair style at the moment. But right now, why have I not put my watch on? Cause my hair is what I'm gonna do now. So I kind of want them in little. I really want them in little clothes, like little buns, but ooh, these clips be so hard to grab onto. Okay, I can't work with that. So we're gonna do that again. Hopefully it comes out the same right here. Ooh. There we go. It's getting hot. Nah, because you see this one is, you can always perfect something on one side, but not the other one. Just get up as close, Kaya. It's actually not too far apart, so we're just gonna keep it like that. Something that's just add a little pop. So then I got this edge control that I'm gonna use. It's actually not bad. Just do something small to my edge. And it's Super Bowl Sunday. It's just really something small. Cause who been on your mind? I'm gonna show y'all literally my after in the end. So right now it's just like I said, just something small, and I see y'all once the whole completed look is over. Because I think after my hair, I was gonna do my lips in the car, but certainly not gonna change anything. But yeah, so I'm gonna see y'all with the full outfit. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all the outfit. I was asking my mom her opinion, but she was not really helping out. Well, she really didn't know, biased, and I really didn't have anything else, especially that could go with this. But I thought like the green at least could bring out the green as it is. So, ooh, I should have grabbed some lotion, y'all. That's what I forgot to grab. Ugh. But you have to do this over. So, here is. I should really sit y'all like right here, because I don't know if y'all hear my car. Yay! Y'all see the view at the back. So, this is the outfit. Hopefully, I get some like good pictures today for this. So, I need to put my lip stuff on though. That's a cute picture though. I wish I would go on the road, but we ain't finna be that risky. But even though I really don't get that much traffic still, but boom. Especially ones that don't hurt my feet. Jeez, okay. Let me see y'all in the car when I put my lip stuff on. Okay, can y'all? I realized I wasn't even recording. I was talking to y'all, but I forgot to show like my skin. That's what I was saying. Like after doing the Noxzema, as y'all can see, I don't know if I can really tell the difference, but I can feel the difference. Like it makes my face feel like way tighter. And y'all see like the little lip liner I just put, and I just have my little clear lip gloss. And I'm just gonna. Yay! Look at it. Cheese. I'm gonna do a complete outfit also for a thumbnail too, and for y'all to see though. But don't forget, I don't know if I'm gonna add it onto this video. Let me go ahead and start driving them. I don't know if I'm gonna add it onto this video or just make another separate video, because that's gonna be funny. I know it's gonna be funny. It's gonna be cute too. But because today is supposed to be making Super Bowl food. Yay! I'm just doing so much right now, y'all. But ooh, I don't know if I put too much on there, but it's gonna disappear off any freaking way. Let me put this right here. Trying to see if the light can come back, because the light was looking so good. But yeah, while I'm driving now. Ooh. So anyways though, I hope you guys still enjoyed this video. My hair even turned out a little cute. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, a little get ready with me. I said I was probably gonna do another one tomorrow if I take my hair down, but I realized I didn't really bring any good clothes with me for this coming weekend. I be having to realize my speed limit when I be leaving this neighborhood, because I got pulled over one time. This speed limit is 20. It be ridiculous. But I don't know, I may or may not. Who knows? Who knows? I don't even have a dress. I shaved and everything. I don't even have a dress. That don't mean nothing. The moral of the story is still, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This little get ready with me. Next week I do plan to do at least like a weekly vlog with me, like throughout my week being a nursing student. There go that light. There's some we ain't asked for, but still, we are right here. I hope y'all still enjoyed this video. I'm still trying to edit this other video. Hopefully that can be up like tomorrow, at least, no latest. And this one hopefully like 2 days later after that. We don't know, we'll see. Then the ice cream, I gotta do that. Y'all, that ice cream like $4.99 each, but we're not even gonna talk about it. But I still hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want to see some regular, like, just other stuff or suggestions, just definitely let me know. Follow my socials. And, got me over here swerving and stuff. I'll see y'all in my next freaking video. Yay! I'm so corny. Bye, y'all. Okay. It smells weird. I got this from Dash Mart, actually. It's gross. Look at it, it's like a piece of chicken. Go and bite. Take a picture and send it to somebody. I really don't know how to think of it. It's like, it tastes like Frosted Flakes. And then it's like caramel. Like some sweet. It says it's white, caramelized white chocolate. So, I had to try to get something. Oh, I see the bone. You see the bone? It's a bone. You see the bone? What do you think of it? 1 out of 10. You don't like it? How does it taste to you?
I think it's just a look that make it nasty for me.
The look? It's actually not bad though. I give it like a... I got 8 out of 10. It tastes like literally like just frozen cereal. If you just got cereal and froze it with milk and cereal.
Put the game back on.
But you gotta get to the bone part. Oh, no, let's go on. You see the bone? Okay. I want to try about the bone though. And these. I like it. I think, like you said, you just think of it like chicken.
Yeah.
Try bone.
I did. Mine boneless.
It has a bone in it.
Mine said bones on the wrapper. See?
No, it don't. Where's your bone at? It tastes like a Whopper. The bone tastes like a Whopper.
That's weird.
I think I'm gonna just add this onto my last video because it's only like 3 minutes. It's not really long enough to make a video. So I guess this is me really just ending this whole video for
the Whopper candy.
Yeah,
the Whopper burger.
No, Whopper candy. So this is me actually ending the complete video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the get ready with me. And then the extra fun part, because we're actually watching the Super Bowl. The food was good too. The food was amazing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this full video. And I'll see y'all in the next video.